सो भाई बंदी पटानी है, रिलेशनशिप में जाना है. So before that, we need to know how to attract different girls. We are going to differentiate girls based on different age groups. So yeah, without any further ado, let's get started. So hey guys, welcome back to this channel. My name is Preetham and I'm here to help you to become a man with multiple options. तो तो हमको पहले क्या चाहिए होता है कि we want to get into a relationship with girls. But most of the guys हम क्या करते हैं, हमको वो साइकोलॉजी समझ नहीं आती कि what different age group वाले बंदियाँ what do they want. Let's say कि you are in college and you tried some stuff. गलती से तुम्हारी एक गर्लफ्रेंड बन गई, ठीक है, एंड फिर बाद में you हो जाता है, then let's say you break up or some stuff happens. तुम आगे जाते हो and then you apply the same things with some other girl at a different age group and you're like यार उस टाइम पे तो ये चीज़ें काम कर गई थी, but now why is it not working out, right? So इस वीडियो में like I said we are going to break down कि हर एक एज ग्रुप में what different girls are expecting and what do they want. So I want you to have a mindset shift कि you are not going to be there to जो तुम्हारे हवस जो भी है like you're not there to satisfy your needs, you're there to solve their problems. ठीक है, you are the solution to their problems. पहली चीज़ तो ये समझता है. So what are they looking for? You become that guy and you position yourself in that way to then we can expect कि things are going to happen. So पहली चीज़, what are these teen girls expecting? So किस angle से we need to tackle it? Let's say teen girls. What are they looking for? कि are they looking for lust? Are they looking to settle down? No. So things are very different in their life, right? Things are just happening. They just came from their home and they are in college and things are happening very fast. They are getting exposed to new things. So with teen girls, ये जो angle we are going to use is love angle. Okay. So ये Disney prince देखा है. That's the archetype which they get attracted to the most, right? Things are always like destiny. We are meant to be together. And we are going to stay forever and are happy. ये जो basically जो visions रहता है, they fall for those kind of things. ठीक है? So again, the way you position yourself with these teen girls is ये fantasy character, the Disney character. Okay? What are they looking for? They are looking for lifelong commitment. ठीक है? Things are not going to work out, but that's what they want, and that's the things which you talk. ठीक है? आते हैं second category पे, and that is the girls who are in their, they have been through their teen phases. ठीक है, सो नाउ दीज गर्ल्स क्या बोलते हैं 21 to 25 ये एज ग्रुप पकड़ लो. व्हाट आर दीज गर्ल्स नाउ? दे आर एट द पीक ब्यूटी. नाउ दीज गर्ल्स आर दे ट्राइंग टू लुक फॉर लव या फिर आर दीज गर्ल्स ट्राइंग टू लुक फॉर सेटलिंग डाउन? नो, दीज गर्ल्स आर लाइक एट द पीक ब्यूटी एंड इनको खुद की औकात पता रहती है कि दिस इज माई प्राइम. दे आर गोइंग टू बी so goddamn like shit testing you left and right. If you are able to handle that shit test, you are going to get laid easily. Those are the rules in this age group. ठीक है? तो let's say कि you approach a girl and she's like, hey, excuse me, hi, I saw you, you look beautiful. दी बोलती मेरे को पता है, नया कुछ बोल. Then they are going to shit test you. And if you are a new guy and you don't know how to handle the shit test, then hey, you don't get laid. But if you can hold your grounds and if you can dominate her, if you can crush her ego, then she'll take notice of you. Oh, this guy is different and he's worth my time. यहाँ पे चीज़ें बहुत फास्ट होती है. Within one day you can get laid. ठीक है? But again, like I said, you need to know how to play those games. So how do you position yourself in this thing? तो पहले तो Disney Prince था. Here it's like the guy, ये 50 Shades of Grey, Christian Grey. That's the archetype which we are looking for. Christian Grey archetype. I don't give a shit about you, like you know. So वो dominant वाला. At the same time, you need to be able to calibrate and give her those things. Give her different feelings. So that's the second category. Now the third category is ये जो बंदियाँ रहती है in their late 20s, 26 to 30. Now what these girls are looking for? Are they looking for love? They have already been through that phase. ठीक है, उनका सब वो हो चुका होता है. Are they looking for lust? वो भी उन्होंने 20s में कर चुकी होती है वो. So what are they looking for? This video is about what are they looking for. We are the solution to their problem. So ये जो age group है, this is tricky because पहली चीज़ तो these girls are already like been through their phase. They are like, I'm just waiting for that perfect match. So what are they looking for is a perfect match, a potential mate. Who can they marry? So, but if you don't check those lists, okay, cool, you have a nice body, cool, you are good looking, you are good with your game. But are you the one who's going to get married to her? No. So यहाँ पे they are like, ठीक है, as long as I'm searching for that guy, you can be my side guy. We can fuck. You can be my side guy. Be my companion as long as I find that guy. So be with me in that journey. यहाँ पे emotions का खेल नहीं रहता. These girls are very logical, everything. So you just go, you just do, and you just go back to your life. Again 3-4 दिन हो जाएंगे, Saturday night, Sunday night, I'm getting bored, come, let's do stuff. तो ये गेम रहता है यहाँ पे. And the big mistake which guys do here is they start to fall for this girl. Emotions ले आते हैं बीच में. They're like, girl is like, come on, grow up. I'm not for that thing. And they'll suddenly like close things off. And फिर ये देखते हैं ना हम लोग, शादी के टाइम पे बंदा आता है, फिर वो सब डिंडोरा पीटता है कि how can you do this. Those are the guys who haven't been through the evolutions of these things. So like I said again, यहाँ पे the girls are looking for a potential marriage material. If you're not that guy, either emotions मत ले आओ. Just be happy being the side guy and fuck as long as you can. उसके बाद वो चीज़ें वैसे भी नहीं होने वाली. Now comes the fourth and final category, and that is 30s. So ये 30s वाली जो मिल्स जो रहती है, जो हमारी फैंटेसी रहती है कि यार काश ये मिल जाए. Every teenage guy has मिल्फ वाली फैंटेसी. But now, how do you position yourself? पहली चीज़ तो these women are already settled down. उनको कोई ज़रूरत नहीं है to go out and इतना मातम मचाने की. They have already settled down. Their life is going happy. But the problem is their life is too happy या फिर too monotonous. Like समझ रहे हो? यहाँ पे कोई emotions नहीं है. And women are emotional creatures. Like I said, you need to position yourself. If you're the guy who can bring thrill in her life, if you are the guy who can make her heartbeat go fast, then you have a chance there. So what are these women looking for? These women are not looking for per se as such, but again, because देखो emotions सारे like numb out हो चुके होते हैं, life is going ठीक है, बच्चे भी हैं, सब है, it's going on. यहाँ पे if you are the thrill guy, ठीक है, so they are just seeking for something which they have not done in their past. Let's say they got married early. कि यहाँ पे you need to position yourself like this. I'll help you to achieve whatever you. I'll help you to go through those emotions which you have missed in your life previously. ठीक है? तो once you position yourself, वो मूवी देखने चलता है, गोलगप्पे खाने चलता है, you know? So बाइक राइड पे जाता है. So once you position yourself like this, then she might take notice of you. And again, चीज़ें यहाँ पे होती है, but you need to be cautious. You need to कभी भी उसको कॉल नहीं कर सकते तुम. There are external factors which involve. So this is a tricky one. I would say not go into this thing, because stick with these whatever 3 categories I told you. But the 4th one, if you encounter right place, right time, things will happen. Okay, but I would suggest keep that's not the category which we want to aim at, right? So yeah, because risk factor बहुत रहता है. Okay, so I just wanted to break down कि हर एक age category में how do you position yourself. Like I said, it's not about you, it's about what they are seeking for. And if you position yourself in that manner, right place, right time, things will happen. ठीक है? So just wanted to keep this video brief, and hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, please do give this video a thumbs up. Also, please do comment down below. What do you think? Key different categories, the way I broke things out. Were you able to spot these patterns? Things had worked down previously, but the moment I shifted to a different age group, things weren't working out because the rules of the game are different, right? So please do comment down below, जो भी तुम्हारा like whatever your thoughts are. And also there should be a link down in the description for our school community. Please do check out. Yeah, thanks for watching. My name is Preetham, and I'll see you in the next one.